To turn on or turn off web addresses, Internet Management Info, in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accounts and Backup. Tap Accounts. Select Samsung account you want. Tap Privacy. Tap Customization Service. Tap Data Management. Tap Web Addresses, Internet, switch until blue to turn on, or tap until gray to turn off. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.